Hi guys, welcome to my page. Welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. Yes, what are we cooking today? We are cooking beans and yam porridge. Yeah, beans and yam porridge. The first thing we are doing, we are cooking our beans, and to make our beans get soft on time, that's why I slide a bit of onions. Yes, and this is a yam, and we all know, or I know, to get a good yam, it takes luck. It takes looks to be, yeah. Some people do, some people know good yam once they see it, but for me, it takes luck. Yes, now today I'm so lucky, so I've gotten a good yam. Yes, it's very pure, white, and nice. Yes, now our beans is almost half done, so I'm adding the yam, yeah, so that they can cook all together. Yes, some people cook yam separately and the beans separately and adding it together, but me, I prefer cooking my beans half done. Then I will add my yam, uncooked yam, so that everything can cook together. Then the next thing is to add a bell pepper and onions. Yes, wow, this is so nice. And this is fish, boy fish, and I'm adding no chicken kill. I'm using 2 kill, and this is grounded crayfish. Yes, grounded crayfish, and I'm adding salt, so everything we cook together. So let's stir it, and I'll have it to cook for some minutes. Yes, wow. Please, guys, kindly comment on my page, kindly subscribe. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get oil, that's palm oil, which I'm doing now. As you can see, our beans and yam is getting done. Wow, this is so nice. Please comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. I'm very sure you can try this. When you try this, when you eat it to eat another meal for the day, you might not, your tummy might be too full to to eat another meal. This is so nice. Thank you guys for watching.